All right, here we go with Mr. Smith on how to turn in your locker. You're going to want to play this video and follow along on these steps. Okay, so I already have my SketchUp open with my locker. There's a couple things that we want to do. All right, first off, we want to go up here to View, Unselect Axis. Very good, those guys go away. And then over here on the left-hand side, excuse me, the right-hand side, we want to come to Styles, and you want to come to this Edit one right here. Come to this middle one that says Background, and we do not want the sky. And then choose a background color of your choice. I will choose a green. All right. Very good. I have my two lockers, one of the front showing the sizes, and one of the one that's showing the interior. Yours is obviously better than that. All right. Again, to show my dimensions, I click on that button, go from corner to corner. I can pull it out. That shows that way, corner to this corner. That shows this way, corner to this corner. That shows this way. All right, you should have your measurements and you should have everything labeled. That's a beautiful handprint lock. I know, can't break into that. All right, so this piece is ready here. Let's go to Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, all right, you're going to have this document right here. You're going to need to click on Download. All right, and then it will download for you. In the lower left corner, we're going to open it up. We're in Microsoft Publisher, which is a new program for us. You may or may not have used it. Pretty simple. Okay. Over here in the bottom right, you have the ability to zoom in if you need to. All right. Move around. So we're going to fill in the name of the locker design, your name. We're going to make up a company name and put in two pictures. So to change the name of my locker design, I double click on this. I came on here and I clicked twice. Boom, boom, boom. And it says edit the text. And the name of my locker will be something cool. Mine is going to be called Safe and Secure. All right. You can change the font to something else if you want to. It doesn't really matter which one you want, or you can leave it either way. Safe and Secure. All right. So now this is changed now. A double click over here says my name and double click on this. All right. Edit this. I could change the font again if I wanted. I can use the same one. I can use a different one. And you put in your name. Ba-da-da-da-boom. All right. If I wanted to change the color instead of red, if I wanted to jump over here, boom, I can make it green over here. Come over here. I can make this guy blue. But I don't want to. And then the name of our company. So you got to give yourself your company engineering name. So you click on your company. See how it's highlighted right here? Click on your company, double click, and give it the name of something. Choose a different font if you want. Choose the same font, it doesn't matter. Let's choose, sure, that guy right there. Mine will be the green Rhino Engineering. Okay. If you don't like the way that looks, you can edit the text. And I'm going to press enter, and then it's going to make it bigger, and I can pull it up. All right. So I gave my locker a title. I'll put my name on here. Okay. Don't put my name. You put your name. Green Rhino Engineering. And now it's time for a picture of the locker with the door on and a picture of the door with the lock off. So I'm going to come here. So this is the picture of the door on. So in order to do that, I'm going to come down here to the search bar. I'm going to type snip, S-N-I-P. I'm going to get this snip and sketch. Select that. It opens up. I do a new one. All right, now I'm going to draw a picture around what I want, and that's exactly what I want to be able to see all my words, see my measurements, and that looks good. So when this opens up, this is the copy button right here. I'm going to press copy. I'm going to go to my presentation, right click, paste. There's my photo. So I need to get rid of all of this. I need to put my picture in there and get it nice and neat. Doesn't have to fill up the whole frame, but it does need to fill up most of the frame. All right, now I need a picture with my door off, so I'm going to go back to SketchUp. Okay, and I have the snipping tool right here, so I'm going to go new. I want another one. This time I'm going to make sure I have all of my stuff. This will be a slightly smaller picture. I'm going to make a copy, and I'm going to paste that in here. That red line right there tells me that I'm at the same height. Shrink it down. All right, now if I overextend it like this, it's going to be a little bloated, but you figure out how you want it to done. Boom. All right, now it's done. Now to turn it in, I go up here to File, Save As, this PC. Remember, on this PC, when we go to this PC, we go sure to go to our home drive. Okay, and then we're going to name it. So it's your last name, Smith _ Locker. Save it. All right, now we do it again. We go File, Save As, this PC. We go to letter H, Smith _ except we change right here to PDF. Change the type to PDF, and you hit save. And that is the document that I get. I get this document right here. Okay? So when you're loading it up on Google Classroom, it will look like, let me pull this up for you guys. It'll have this red symbol. Okay? Red symbol, not this P for publisher. All right, so you have it saved. You took 2 photos, put it on here. You changed it, gave your locker a title, put your name in there, gave yourself name of an engineering company, and you move forward from there. All right, awesome job. Turn that in today.